Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can compare two columns in Google Sheets. So in here, I have this data of product code and also the prices. And here I'm going to compare this data. The first one that I want to compare is whether or not the product code applied to multiples other codes or employees, and also the price is the same or not, the value is the same or not. So if you want to compare the exact match to see if they are the same code apply on a different employees, you can just follow the steps. First, you can just use the equal to sign and then select the first product code or data, and then equal to again, and choose the second column, this one. And you can see it will turn out false if it's not the same, but it will turn out true if it's the same. So you can just hit enter, and let's drag to autofill the rest of the data like this. As you guys can see here, there are some true value in here, because this one's is the same, and also this one's right here are the same. And the next one is that I'm going to find if whether or not the value of the column is the same. So for this one right here, you need to use the COUNTIF formula. So let's just type in equal to and then COUNTIF. This one's right here, and then here you need to select the range. I'm going to select this one's right here, and here I'm going to add an absolute value, because we need to use the dollar signs right here to make it absolute. The value, you need to add it in here. Okay, and after that you can use comma and then select the reference, this one's right here, then close the bracket, and let's use greater than 0. So that's mean if the returns came out true, that means there's the same value in the data right here. So let's hit on enter and click on the check icon on the autofill. You can see some of the data are true because there are some the same value here in the columns. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thing.